TPS for Haitians. TPS for Haitians. TPS for Haitians.
Most people inspire other nations to also make sure to support their congressmen, make sure that they go out there and not just say things, but like help us out. Like I said before, it's like a sentence to our death, and it's not exactly something we want to be doing.
You want to add or say before? I'll take it.
Est-ce que capable de dire nous comment Bayo pralé là, qui sont pensés de rallye ça qu'a fait là?
Mais j'en constate là Sorel, ouais bagayo, ouais Santou. Après sérieusement là, pile monde débarqué, je saute pas Road, je saute pas Spam Beach, tout partout. Je suis Florida pour supporter ce qu'a fait là par le monde qui est TPS. Donc constate là, tout pas marcher encore comme jusqu'à présent dans l'ordre de la discipline.
Okay, thank you very much. Yeah. So can you tell us why you come support this rally, why you come support the Haitians?
Nous sommes là en solidarité avec nos frères et sœurs haïtiens parce que l'union fait la force. Si c'est pas tout le monde, c'est personne.
Okay. Can you tell us why you come support?
We're all Haitians.
Okay, thank you very much. Appreciate that. Okay, thank you. Yeah, can you tell us why you come support this rally, what support Haitian, this rally?
Yes, well, I'm here because we have a horrible situation in Haiti that the U.S. helped to create. We helped to create it by supporting the UN, which brought a cholera epidemic to Haiti, by undermining democratic rule in Haiti, helping to promote 2 coups d'etats against governments that were trying to uplift the Haitian people from poverty. We created the bad situation in Haiti, and therefore we need to maintain TPS and justice for Haitian refugees.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you
for your time. Hey, you.